What's the idea behind ARTiTEX?
Sewing is an amazing craft, but the industry felt stuck in the past. There is little digitalization and most companies are not using data to become more productive and competitive. I knew there had to be a way to empower these skilled engineers and workers with digital technology, something that wouldn't break the bank. ARTiTEX was born from that, a way to bridge the gap between tradition and progress.
How has the journey been so far?
It's been a roller coaster ride. We started with late nights at the computer and sewing machines, cobbling together the app with the support of some industry visionaries who allowed us to test it in their factories. The challenges were tough, but seeing the spark in an engineer's or worker's eyes when they realized the potential of the app is what's kept us going. We're still a young company, but the positive impact on factories, the improved efficiency, the happier workers, that makes every bump in the road worth it.
What excites you most about ARTiTEX's future?
The scalability. A smartphone is all you need. We're talking about bringing real-time data and digital tools to hidden corners of the world, empowering small businesses and independent artisans. It's a chance to level the playing field and give everyone a voice in this industry. Imagine the possibilities: better working conditions, fairer pay, a more sustainable future for garment production. That's what keeps me up at night, dreaming big dreams.
What has been the biggest challenge you've faced?
Changing mindsets. Tradition runs deep in this industry. Some factory owners saw smartphones as a threat, not a friend. But slowly the tide is turning. We focus on showing them how ARTiTEX empowers their workers and engineers, not distracts or replaces them. It's about building trust, one conversation, one success story at a time.
Why do you do what you do?
Because every industrial engineer and every worker deserves a fighting chance. ARTiTEX is a chance to bridge the gap, to give these incredibly skilled people the tools they deserve. It's about respecting the craft, the heritage, while propelling it forward. In the end, it's about creating a win-win situation for the industry, for the workers, and for the future of fashion.